Hey, this is Jeff again with Evolve Adventures, reiguideservice.com, reiguideservice.com. I want to talk to you real quick, not about this steak being cooked on a portable propane heater, but I wanted to talk about doing deferred maintenance lists. A lot of people want to do inspections on properties before they buy them, but they'll own a property for years and years and years and never bother to have anyone go do a inspection to see what kind of maintenance needs to be done on that property. A lot of people that own commercial properties, real estate investment trusts, big management companies, they'll hire someone like me to go in and put together a full comprehensive list of everything they need to do maintenance-wise, and then they can pick through it like a menu and decide which things they can afford or which things has the best ROI. You know, like if I go out there and take a look and the flat roof has a lot of spots that show wear and tear like they're going to leak, that's a bad thing. If it shows that the ladder to access that roof is about to break loose and whoever uses it is going to fall and potentially get hurt really badly, that's even a worse thing. So taking care of a deferred list of maintenance requires getting a deferred maintenance list. A lot of people are in the know about how important they are, but there's a lot of people that have not even thought about it. So if that's something that you need help with, you can reach out to any kind of old inspector. I'm not an inspector. I'm an accredited inspector, which means I don't have a license, so I can tell you how much stuff costs and what you should do and what's recommended. I can give advice where they can't. reiguideservice.com. Be blessed. Bless others. Later.